I wish to improve my English, or I wish for improve my English. If you're confused about which sentence is correct, you are not alone. Many English learners feel confused about wish to and wish for. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn the difference between wish to and wish for. These two expressions look similar, but they are used in different ways. Let's make it simple and clear. Wish to means when you want to do or would like to do something and is always followed by a verb. For example, I wish to thank everyone for their support. She wishes to improve her English. We wish to start the project next month. In all these sentences, wish to is followed by the verbs thank, improve, and start. Wish for is used when you're talking about what you hope to have or happen. Wish for is not used when giving a wish directly to someone. Wish for is always followed by a noun. For example, I wish for peace in the world. She wishes for happiness. They wish for success in the competition. In these sentences, wish for is followed by the nouns peace, happiness, and success. Let's compare. Use wish to when you want to perform an action. For example, I wish to improve my skills. Use wish for when you want or desire for a thing, idea, or situation. For example, I wish for good health. Let's do a quick quiz to see how well you understand the difference. Pause the video if you need more time. Let me know in the comments how you did. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.